But we woke up one morning, the kids are trying to go to school, I'm trying to get to work, my wife is trying to get to work, and we couldn't open the garage door, so nobody could go anywhere. Called Mike and his team. I knew he was going to take care of it. I've known Mike and his family for a long time. We can trust them. To me, what seemed like a huge problem, they took care of in less than an hour of being on site, and with a bill that I honestly thought was much less than it could have been. I was really happy with how it turned out. Community is really important to me in my business, so I know how important it is to Superior as well, just by their involvement with some of the park districts in the area, the school district, several fire departments and the police departments. They're making sure our community's in good shape. That's important to me. They got in, they got the job done, they got it done right for a fair price. We were super happy to just move on past our broken coil. So thank you, Superior, you did a great job.